We're making sweet potato muffin, sweet potato muffin.
Pancakes.
Oh.
Pancakes.
We're making sweet potato pancakes, so we know. Hi everyone, welcome back to the LYNQ kitchen. Today we are making fluffy vegan sweet potato pancakes. So we will be using
Invincible. So they're going to be chocolate pancakes. They're going to be excellent.
Okay, let's start.
We've already baked one sweet potato, and you're just going to mash it into a bowl. And then we're going to add some
Oat milk, but you can use any type of milk.
some maple syrup, some oil. Then we're going to add the flour, baking powder, 2 tablespoons of Invincible. So then you're going to spray your pan.
Okay, now we're going to taste it.
It's good. It tastes like a real pancake. Like the consistency is not at all as if we just added sweet potato. It's really good. I like it a lot.
Very good.
Definitely.
Actually, this is a recipe
We
I
could
prefer with the
chocolate
chocolate chips just because I'm a chocolate person, but it does taste delicious. So I would definitely give this one a thumbs up.
Yeah.
And that's it. See you next time.
Please like and subscribe and share our videos and try it out. Test out this recipe and let us know how you like it.